Beautiful Windows has been in business for 27 years. We've gone from advertising just in magazines and realized that we needed something more. So we got in touch with Ring Ring Marketing. After we spoke with Welton Hong, we realized that he really cares. But Ring Ring seemed to have something genuine about them. And we were not disappointed because they took our marketing to a whole different level. They ramped up our social media presence. We have much more engagement in our social media, revamped our website. That has been doing really good. Their weekly calls, they let us know how we're doing, and any questions we have, they're so fast. They're on the button. They address it, they're proactive. Anything we ask, next day it's done, and they have ideas, and that is what we like about them. So we highly recommend Ring Ring Marketing if you want to take your business to the next level.